Good day traders, Wilco here from TradeReact, TradeReact.com. We're here to trade the NFP, or well, at least watch the charts, see if there are any setups. So news is coming out in 15 minutes. We see already across the board some US dollar strength. Let's look at the chart here, the news. Non-farm employment change coming out a bit the same, bit less than the previous. And as we can see in the calendar, we had yesterday some news where it was lower. And here we are today. We had a trade balance here, ISM, on Wednesday. That's it. Here we see the euro dollar going for some retracement. Probably here towards those recent lows, these highs. Put in a line there. 15 minutes. You can see it pushing a bit down below support 1. So this support 2 and this line gonna be support unless it blasts through on news. Keep an eye on that. Okay, some big movement here. NFP, better than expected. Good for the dollar. So you see everything plummeting. Welcome. Dollar CAD here. Really big spike and push down again. If you want to trade these spikes, you gotta trade or before the news or after, but most useful is then the 1 minute technique to pinpoint your entries. Really big movement here. As you can see here, we trade the retracement, but it is hard. There's a lot of pressure in the market. 2 win, 1 loss. That's not crazy with such big pressure, big moves. I'm going to pause now and let it settle. Although you could have good trades here with a big reversal. But I'm not betting, I'm here for the trade, so I pause. But it clearly was a bit of a holding point in all pairs. Just sometimes you see a big wick down and a big wick up, but it takes some longer for that to happen. So you can't always time that. A solution to that is you can take longer trades with longer expiry times, end of day, or some hours further. Or you can switch to the lower time frame, like 1 minute, to scalp your trades. You need to be very aggressive and very good in knowing what you do. So I recommend not trading during these news events, or trade pre-news, before news and after news now on the retracement, but only when you really know what you're doing. And take a look at your trade size, so you keep your risk limited. As you can see, there's no real pullback yet, and the time is now almost 30 minutes later, 8 minutes to go. So it can be then on 3 p.m. the market reverses, so you could take trades for that. Expiry after 3 p.m. like 3:40, 3:30 or 4 or 5 p.m. end of day. That's one strategy. So it's possible that I pause the video and come back to show you the retracements. So we're back, Wilco here, TradeReact, TradeReact.com. Have a look at the market at the end of the day, Friday, and after the big push on the news. You can see here that there was on EURUSD some retracement, but first we went away here or here. There was a push lower and a retracement. So could have been a win if you were talking about retracement buys now for the end of the day. Could have been a win depending on your entry, but tight, as you can see, not a full retrace. What have we got more? Pound, dollar. That's the only one that has a bit of a more retrace. So if you took your entry here at the end of the drop, it would have gone against you and returned up, so you would have been good. That's the only pair that has a bit of powerful bounce. Dollar yen, bit same as the EURUSD. Dollar CAD went lower, so was a fail here, unless you went with the trend. Aussie dollar, same story, not much of a rebound. Euro pound, not much of a rebound. Euro yen, yeah, slightly a bit of a rebound, but zigzagging. It went lower and up, so depending on the time, could have a win or not. And at last, the Kiwi dollar. I must say I expected more of a bounce from the Kiwi dollar, as the Kiwi is, has the biggest move of all, almost. And I thought it would bounce more, but as you can see, no story on that. So that was all. Thank you for watching. Follow, like, subscribe, TradeReact. Subscribe for a demo or live account so you can trade also. Start learning. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.